光伏发电是一种清洁可再生能源，为在本世纪实现碳中和，各国都在大力发展光伏产业。截止2020年底，全球累计光伏装机容量超过了700吉瓦。
However, in a sea of tens of thousands of solar panels, broken, damaged, or malfunctioning equipment normally can only be found through close inspection. Solar farms can spread across vast areas and can be located in hazardous locations, like mountainsides, bodies of water, or rooftops. This, along with exposure to extreme weather in winter and summer, can make traditional manual inspection a demanding, dangerous, and inefficient job.
我们联合合作伙伴集成了一套光伏电站无人机智能巡检方案，利用带高性能红外相机的无人机实现自动巡检作业，结合数据分析软件，高效识别并定位缺陷点。
Depending on the size and type of the solar plant, we recommend the lightweight Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced or the powerful M300 RTK with the Zenmuse H20T. Plan flight routes with ease, handle elevation variations thanks to terrain awareness, and cover the entire power plant with automated inspection. Thanks to the flexible and stable 3-axis gimbal, the camera can automatically adjust its angle and stay perpendicular to the tilted solar panel so it can capture the strongest infrared reflection data. The drone's high-definition infrared sensor supports a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius.
有了无人机之后呢，我们巡检人员就再也不用爬山涉水了。无人机一键起飞，自动飞行航线进行数据采集。云平台软件可以快速完成所有组件故障的识别和定位，为我们电站维修维护提供了精确的指导。
我们开发了强大的人工智能语音系统。能够高速、准确、自动地分析故障。
Its detection rate is robust and is accurate to the component level. It can detect hotspots, diode defects, and more, as well as quantify how much power generation is lost and provide directions on how to fix. The cloud platform can analyze, process, and share data at the same time so that requests for maintenance and management can be aligned between our headquarters and the local power plants, seamlessly fulfilling all operations and management requirements.
这套方案呢，大大提高了我们光伏巡检作业的效率。以50兆瓦的光伏电站为例，原本需要3个月的人工巡检时间，现在可压缩到短短的5个小时。最终检测结果可以通过智能终端直接定位到故障组件的位置。
无人机结合人工智能，在光伏电站的建设、验收以及运维当中的大量使用，为光伏产业带来了智能化升级。它提升了电站的发电量和项目收益，也降低了员工的劳动强度以及安全风险。随着光伏电站运维的智能化，少人乃至无人之手的电站一定会越来越多。